So in this experiment, we'll be seeing how to highlight an image. So for highlighting, first let us select an image. Okay, we will take any random image can be taken. We will be taking the image of Lord Krishna, and over here what we'll be doing is using lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool allows us to select the image as per the color combinations which are there. So what we'll do, we'll start with the selection from here, just click and then just move your mouse pointer as per the color variations, it will go on selecting automatically. Okay, and if supposing there are any colors in the image which are almost same, that time you just need to click over there. Now your green and yellow, it is not able to differentiate, so what you can do is just go on clicking wherever the selection point is required. Okay, so once that is done, then just move your mouse pointer slowly. Okay, if any mistake is done, you can just press backspace and move your mouse pointer behind so that it will get deselected again. So over here, just we need to click a little bit so that the selection is done properly, as the colors are almost same in this area. So I'll just click. Now there is no variation in more variations in the color, so I'll just go on clicking directly. So it will take some time for the selection part. I'll just hurry up and I'll not do that perfect selection. When you are doing it, you can just do it slowly so that the selection is done perfectly. Okay, so over here I'm just selecting it randomly. You Okay, I'm just moving my mouse pointer so that the selection is done fast. And once you click at the start point, you'll find a dotted selection done. So now what we have done is we have selected the main image of our main part of our image. Now we want to select the background part. Okay, so what we'll do is I'll right click over here on the selected part and I'll click on select inverse. So select inverse, what it will do, except for the image of Lord Krishna, it will select only the background now. So click on image adjustment and then click on this desaturate option over here. The shortcut key is also given, that is shift control plus U. If you press, you will get desaturate effect. Desaturate will convert the background only into black and white. So this is how you can highlight an image. So by making the background either black and white, or you can also make it blur so that the important part of your image gets highlighted. Now along with this, you can see that there are some parts of the image which are still in color. The background part, that is this small selection part. Okay, so what you can do is just select it and again click on desaturate option, so that you will get a nice highlighted image of Lord Krishna. Okay, there is one more option available which can convert the image into black and white, that is grayscale. But the difference between desaturate and grayscale is that grayscale will convert the entire image into black and white, whereas desaturate will